Okay, just like the two problems at the start, um, the only way that you're going to get this negative 54 here in the trinomial is if you had two numbers in the binomials that multiply to negative 54. So you've got a negative times a positive, and 6 times what gives you 54? Well, 6 times 9. So you have a negative 6 times a positive 9 will give you that negative 54. So the missing value is 9. We do that same thing down here on the bottom. You're going to end up with a negative 50. Well, if it was a negative number, you must have had a positive times a negative. You can see there's a positive and there's a negative. Okay, but how do you get to 50? 5 times what? Well, you should hopefully know that it's 5 times 10, and that L in FOIL last means that times that, and that does indeed give you that.